Welcome to Fat Flash. You are watching City Updates. Let's begin with the COVID news. Vadodara has recorded the highest number of coronavirus cases in last 24 hours. The fresh number of cases are 712. The number of deaths are 7 officially, and unofficially it is 108. A high level of meeting held in Vadodara by the State of Minister Yogesh Patel, OSD Dr. Vinod Rao. They discussed the ongoing situation going on in Vadodara in terms of oxygen shortage. He said in the meeting that no one should die out of oxygen crisis. A high-level meeting held in Vadodara by the Minister of State Yogesh Patel, OSD Dr. Vinod Rao, Municipal Commissioner, Collector, MP, MLAs and other officials to discuss the ongoing situation in the wake of increasing COVID-19 cases in the city, on shortage of oxygen and oxygen supply. They discussed two major points in the meeting. 9 points oxygen management guidelines formulated for the economical uses of the oxygen. 20 senior physicians are appointed as oxygen management nodal officers. Post-meeting, the Minister of State said soon they will be having a meeting with the hospitals to ensure oxygen is not wasted and no patient is dying of oxygen crisis. Further, they said that tomorrow they will be having a meeting with the Chief Minister where they will have a presentation on the same regards and to demand adequate amount of oxygen as patients from other states such as MP, Maharashtra, Rajasthan coming to Vadodara for the treatment. So Vadodara need more oxygen in future. He said the best setup will be had in Vadodara to provide the best treatment to the COVID patients. The HOD of the physiotherapy department finally apologized on the death of the student Nehal Rathwan who died few days back in the COVID ward at Gothri Hospital. Physiotherapy students staged demonstration for the second day in a row. Dr. Ranjan Iyer apologized for settling the matter, but the students did not believe him. The agitation was eventually summed up by the HOD and the nodal officer apologizing. The committee will look into the allegations of the students. The superintendent of physiotherapy, Dr. Ranjan Iyer, also assured the students that a fact-finding committee would be formed and the committee would listen to both the parties and prepare and submit a report. A on-duty doctor said during Ramzan that the true worship is to treat COVID-19 patients and it is as important as worshipping. During the holy month of Ramzan, health workers including Muslim doctors are treating corona patients by fasting all day and are doing their duty as well as worshipping God. Earlier, Diwali was also celebrated by lighting the SSG with lamps. Thus, even in this time of crisis, health workers, including doctors and nurses, who are true fighters of corona, have set a precedent of the highest human religion in the society by observing the religious traditions like fasting. Dr. Aslam Chauhan, resident doctor SSG, said, "I am currently on duty at Samaras Hostel COVID Hospital. The treatment of COVID patients is as important as the worship of God. Holidays that are full of complexity are neither fun nor comfortable." Few hours after the high-level meeting held in Vadodara by the State of Minister Yogesh Patel, a news is coming from SSG Hospital, where the relatives of the patients outraged due to lack of oxygen in the hospital. With the cases of corona in Vadodara exceeding 700 a day, officials including Minister Yogesh Patel and OSD Dr. Vinod Rao met a plan for adequate oxygen supply to patients in the hospital. However, a fiasco ensued within 3 hours of the meeting. The lack of oxygen cylinders at the SSG hospital where more than 680 patients are admitted created an atmosphere of afra-tafri for 5 hours. OSD says the superintendent has come up with 2 or 3 times serious negligence. OSD Vinod Rao said, adding that there was no shortage of oxygen at Sayaji Hospital. Oxygen cylinders are on the way, 1 or 2 patients are waiting, no more than 3 to 4 ambulances are there. We are also shifting them to COVID hospital of Samaras hostels. The medical superintendent has been accused of gross negligence 2 to 3 times and I gave him a show cause notice. There should be systematic management in OPD. 1 or 2 such meditations have come to mind. There is a serious kind of negligence.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to not miss on any latest news.